So this is a video on how to remove objects in the background that you don't want. In Photoshop, it's rather easy. It used to be a lot more difficult, but there's a tool that came out a few years back. It's called the patch tool, and it has a technology that's called content aware behind it. It's behind a lot of different things in Photoshop actually, but what it is, it's kind of a I guess you can call it an AI that can fill in areas with surrounding areas in a smart way. It's pretty cool actually. So first you want to make sure that you're in the photography workspace, and that would be under Windows, Workspace, and Photography. Now when you select this, you'll have over here on the right Histogram and Navigator. What's cool about Navigator is you can zoom in or zoom out, and then you can drag it around in this area. And we're going to zoom in over here onto this blanket that is not wanted. Over here we're going to select the actual patch tool, and that will be found right here. And now if you come out here, you'll notice that you have an arrow with a patch now. Over the blanket here you can see it. Make sure that your patch tool is set to content aware. Don't worry about all these, the default values are good already. That's more advanced stuff, and I don't get into the advanced stuff because I do just fine with what we have here. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace around it. You don't have to trace like right next to the blanket. We're just going to go around it. And after that's done, you're going to click in the middle of it and drag it this way. And keep dragging it, kind of keep that wooden beam level and get it to where that blanket is, just out of the picture. Now you're going to let go and the computer's going to process it, and there it is. It's not completely perfect, but it's not bad either. So if you looked at this picture, you would never know that that was there. It blended the tree in, makes it look like this tree is coming over and up. Makes the wood look like it just has like a little bit of a texture to it you would never know. And that is how you take something out of the background.